So here are the valves on the M550. You have one on this side and then one on this side. So here I have my MAD valve controller, which I took off my M2, and I'm just going to test fit it before I start wiring everything up. So I just have to unplug this, which there's a little tab on top here that you squeeze it, it should come right out. Then I'm going to take this part of our MAD valve controller, plug it into the stock valves, and take this other piece of the MAD valve controller, plug it into our stock connector piece. I had it backwards, but it goes this way. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. This valve's just in a slightly different orientation. Pull this one out here, and this should go right in. Also, I forgot this little dummy plug will go into the stock one that's just sitting here. Now for the moment of truth. So for some reason this wasn't working right away, but it works now. So the wiring on here is a little bit trickier than my M2, but I took off this little back protector piece that goes underneath the diffuser. There's about 8mm screws. And I'm gonna try to tuck these wires behind this heat shield back here and try to put the valve controller back here. So I got these wires tucked behind the heat shield. You can see I just took the stock one and I shoved it up here and then just zip tied it so it wouldn't move around. And I took the new one, ran it back behind this heat shield above the exhaust and through here to this back area. Got the controller laying right there. Then the other side, same kind of thing. I got it running up here, and there's a little bolt right up here that I zip tied the two wires to just to kind of hold it there so it doesn't fall. Up over this heat shield. Here's the new one. The stock one kind of comes from up here. I just left it up there. Then I'm going to take this little protector piece, and when I hang it back up, I'm going to attach this controller to it just so it kind of sits there. Couldn't really find a better place to put it on. Just in case for some reason this 3M tape fails, I'm going to zip tie through here just to hold it in place.